This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 31 of Building Optimus Prime. This is the big one. Well, a big one. Lots of parts coming together on this one, so it's going to be good. Let's have a look through at Tom Banachek. Name sounds familiar. Not sure what he did though. Allspark, that sounds familiar as well. Laserbeak, less familiar. Is that the one that was the cassette? Yes, it was the cassette inside Soundwave, I believe. All good stuff. I remember him, but I don't remember the name. But there we go. Extra page? No, that looks like... No, that's one more page turning over. Autobots Series 6. Do I remember any of those? Not from a quick glance, no. Lots of those, I'm sure we'll be looking more in depth at all of those as the time and the weeks go by. Nothing jumping out at me though. So yes, the pelvis and torso. Pelvis 8 and torso 5. We get to put the two parts together with what the legs are going to go onto, I believe. Make up some more stuff and then attach the big metal hip to that. Yeah, looking forward to that. Lots of screws to do though. So yeah, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get to it. Okay, lots of parts in this issue. Parts that we're not using yet. We're going to be using those momentarily, but put those to one side for now. First of all, we're going to be doing this bits. We're going to be installing the, I assume the legs are going to attach to. That goes on there, and that is held in place with this screw, or rather a bolt rather, which goes through a little split washer first. Down for a minute. We've got a split washer to go through there. Then a big washer, and then that goes into there. Now this, as I say, is a nut rather than a screw, so I'm going to need to find a tool for this because I haven't got one out. I shall sort that out momentarily. If I get that on there, I can't get that on there now. Let's have a look. Going to be a pain. It shouldn't be. Try again. Let's get that through there. Probably going to be easier if I hold it in the tool actually. So I might drift off and do that first. Yeah, I can't hold that and line it up at the same time easily. So let me get the right size nut for that because it's not simple as just taking that off of there. No, thought it might be, but it isn't. Right, let me get the right part, right tool, and we'll come back and fit those on. Yep, there we go. That's that one attached on there. So you've got a nice little bit of movement there, but not much. I need to do the same on this side. So I've got the right spanner nut attachment. Drop the split washer over there first. In place, hold the big washer over there as well, and then goes in there, that goes in there. Much easier to do when you've got the right equipment. So there we have that, nice and tight, giving you a little bit of movement on there. A little bit tighter than that. There we go. Good. So that is that. Then we need to put these together, making sure we haven't lost the other bit from there. That goes together like so. And then we need to hold that in place with IM screws, 4 of them. Which ones have we got here? IM, there we go. First packet that I picked up. Doesn't get much better than that, does it? So 4 IM screws. So swap that back out to screwdriver. And where are these going to go? Let's have a look. Go through from this side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There we go. So that one there. And all the others. I'll get all the others done off camera because there's no point in watching me do all the easy stuff. So I can get that done momentarily. Then we need to bring in the new bit that we've got. Quite a nice venting piece. These are going onto there. Little plugs on that. There. On there, that way round. Oops, that way round. And then the tubes. Again, get them the right way round. They're going into these holes, which are shaped so you can only get them one way round. That way round is like that. I didn't push that in fully. Come on. There you go. It is that way around because the other end is not shaped. Try the other one, just in case I'm being an idiot. Flat side, line up the flat side. Push it home. There you go. That's like that. That one like that. There you go. Right, let me just check to see that I've got these the right way around. Yes, that is the only way around it will go. And they have to be the right way around because the shaping around the post there. So that one is there. And that one is there. That. Right, then we need to put that onto there. Right, let's have a look. What have we got? Onto that bit. Ah, right, yeah, that just makes that bit look nice. So, yeah, just plugs there and a screw through that bottom one. Once you get that lined up. Go. One screw through there, which is a KP screw. I'll be lucky enough that it's the next one I pick up. No, that's still the IP. KP is one that we've got lots of. But for now, just the one. That one through there. Like that. And then we need to bring in the other part that we had from last time. That goes onto the back of that bit. Not that bit. Is that bit. Yeah. Right. That's going to go onto there. Have we done that yet? Didn't say to do that yet, did it? No. Yes, I've missed a step. Right. Let me get all of this put together. Then this is attaching onto there. That way around. So I'll get that on there and that on there, and then we'll come back and do the rest of it. Right, there we go. That's that attached on there all together, all tightened up, nice and weighty. This bit is the next bit that we had to do. I pushed that onto the post there, very tight bit, but that's a good thing. That is then held in place with one of these long VP screws, which will also use the last washer in there. That just goes through there. That's going to be a long thread holding that together. But that's what it says. That's what it does. What we need to do. So let's get that on there. Come on. On you go. Got to go on further than that, or I'm never going to get it in. There we go. That's better. So that on there. This is a normal screw. That shouldn't be too much of a problem. It says it being a problem. Try that again, shall we? So that on there, that in there, and that into there. Is correct. Yeah, I just got to screw that all the way into there, and then that will go together. And there's 6 of the KP screws will hold all that back together. So I'll get that done, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, there we go, all done. Not terribly difficult, just a bit time consuming. I did actually have to get it apart again because one of these bolts was a little bit loose. I thought I'd better tighten it up, so I did, and I unfortunately had to get it all apart to do it. Also, the bracket that goes onto, I had the wrong way round according to the instructions. I don't think it's going to make any difference, but I have turned it the right way round. I don't know which way around that's got to be, but that can easily be twiddled to make it fit. So this is the interior of Optimus's Prime torso and indeed hip. This doesn't turn. It's got a little bit of give to it, but that's just where the thing fits together. Obviously, the main leg assembly has only got a little bit of attachment backwards and forwards there. This piece obviously will turn and obviously also flex that way. So this has got to be the shoulders. So yeah, still don't know what attaches on there, some sort of tail unit. I have no idea. But lots of lovely detail in there. And one more issue to build in this delivery. So I shall put that down and put it aside and dig out the rest for next time. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.